China's latest move is all about putting the brakes on the iPhone 15 within its borders. They've gone as far as banning government officials and state employees from using Apple's latest phone. But guess what? People on Weibo, China's most bustling social network, can't stop talking about it. It's almost like they're drawn to the forbidden fruit, right? Reports from Reuters show that discussions about the brand new iPhone 15 are piling up on Weibo despite the government's restrictions. In just a few hours after Tim Cook's team unveiled the phone, there were nearly 1 million discussions about it. That's insane. Topics related to Apple's event garnered a whopping 380 million views, with over 800,000 discussions including posts, comments, and likes on the iPhone 15. Now, not all of those million discussions are singing praises for the iPhone 15. In a place where the government's opinion carries some weight, you're bound to find differing views, especially when it comes to a controversial subject like this. In fact, last night's iPhone 15 promo event felt like a warm-up for the ongoing USA versus Huawei saga that's been going on since 2018. Remember when FBI Director Chris Wray warned against buying Huawei and ZTE phones? That was just the beginning. China's government didn't randomly ban the iPhone. It coincided with the release of a new Huawei flagship in China, the Mate 60 Pro. This release has stirred quite a geopolitical storm in recent weeks. The real showdown is yet to come when the iPhone 15 becomes available for sale in China. Online sales on Alibaba's small marketplace are set to kick off on September 15, with in-store availability on September 22. But for now, on Weibo, it looks like Huawei is the champion. A survey conducted by the Chinese news portal Sina on Weibo asked people to pick between the Mate 60 and the iPhone 15. The results? Well, Huawei took the lead with 61,000 votes, while the iPhone 15 lagged behind with 24,000. It's not a definitive indicator, but it's a glimpse into the market sentiment. So what's got people excited about the iPhone 15? It's the impressive A17 chip and the enhanced gaming capabilities. And let's not forget, gaming is a big deal in China, so that's a crucial selling point. On the other hand, Huawei's local production, over 90% made in China, plays well to the nationalism card. Plus, it boasts improved satellite connectivity compared to the Apple device. While the iPhone 15 can text via satellite, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro can do that and even make satellite calls. Now, that's impressive. For the first half of 2023, Apple held 67% of the market share for phones priced over $600, with Huawei following at 15.6%. The second half of 2023 is still up for grabs, and it's going to be one heck of a showdown. So there you have it, folks, the latest scoop on the iPhone 15's reception in China. It's a battle of the titans between Apple and Huawei, and we'll be keeping a close eye on how this unfolds in the tech world. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more juicy tech updates. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.